What would you say if I told you that you could have a home in a community with 8 beautiful rec centers, including bowling alleys, swimming pools, pickleball, putting greens, all the things, and 8 beautiful golf courses with very low annual fee, and all of that is available for under 300,000. I know what I would say. Come in and let's take a look at my latest Sun City listing. This one, you guys, you are going to love. Super affordable, and stick around to the end and I'll tell you what the price is. So this is one of our amazing Gemini Twin homes here in Sun City. What's a Gemini Twin home? Well, it is an attached home, just attached at the roof. So you have next door what we call your roof mates, but it's like you're living in your own home. Still classed as a condo, so you are going to get the benefit of having a little HOA that's going to take care of your yard maintenance, your water, and your trash bill, and insurance, all of those things covered by your monthly HOA fee. So, for those of you who want set it and forget it, this is a great solution. Now, this particular home that we're in today is about 1,204 square feet. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. It is right sized for you, whether you're a couple or a single. Plenty of space here. And then you've got front space to sit out and watch all the neighbors. That's where you're going to meet people. And then also some really nice patio space in the back. So this is going to be your living room. We've got beautiful tile floors. Oh, and did I mention that the whole thing has been recently freshly painted? Everything is bright and fresh in this home. It's ready for you. Let's come in here. I'm going to show you the kitchen area. You've got a good-sized dining area, which I really like. You've got space for a table that could seat 4, 6. I bet you could even get a table with 8 or 10 if you add some leaves in there. Then you've got this beautiful kitchen, which has a really nice solid surface countertop. They've got almost brand new appliances that are stainless and some really pretty accents on the backsplash, these really cute pendant lights, all the things that make this, I think, look like a brand new home, even though it's slightly older. But with the older, you're going to get a beautiful, mature neighborhood and at an amazing price. Now, further in here, they've got a really nice double sink, which I like, and then your laundry room area, which you could also have some pantry space in there. There is storage and your hot water heater. Great living spaces in here for all of your things that you're going to be bringing. So this is your master suite, which is amply sized. You could fit a queen bed or a king. if you didn't have giant nightstands, but plenty of room. You could put a TV on the wall, the plug is already there, and you've got an ensuite bath. So, very nicely done with updates like a glass shower door, new faucets, new vanities, all the things, you guys. I think that is a really nice touch. Now, the additional bedroom, as I run into the door, is right here across the hall. Again, very nicely sized. Could be your office, could be your guest space, your sewing room, could be both. Then out here, we've got great storage space for your linens and your hall bathroom, which is a full bath, very nicely done and very nicely updated. A lot of care has been taken to improve and maintain this home, and I think it really shows. So here I am on your covered patio. Look at this, you guys, all screened in, and they have additional shades to keep kind of some of the wind out on the cooler evenings and afternoons. You could put a little gas heater out here and have another toasty little living space. So if you like what you see, you need to let me know right away. This home is priced at $265,000. Again, a great value. And I don't think it's gonna last very long. For those of you who are gonna see this video a year from now, still call me because this one will be long gone, but I will have others to show you that are similar. This one's a little special, and I'll tell you why. I know the neighbors. They're my parents. I don't know if that's a disclosure item. I don't think it's a bad thing. I think it's a good thing. I know a lot of the neighbors here, and there are some sweet, sweet people that you would be able to be introduced to right away in this little enclave of Sun City. You're also close to shopping, you're close to medical, all the things that you want for 265,000, you guys. You can't get this kind of value anywhere else. And for those of you who've been looking for a low or almost no maintenance lifestyle, this might be the ticket. So if you'd like to know more about this or other properties in Arizona or across the USA, be sure to reach out to me at the number below on the screen. Let's set a time for a scheduled call or a Zoom and see how we can get you moving today.